What up, guys? What up? What up? I just finished painting this block, man. 5-3 block. I'm about to start rebuilding it. I'm gonna start rebuilding it. I'm letting the paint dry a little bit. Letting the paint dry on it. I gotta clean it up after it's dry. Clean this surface with a plate. The timing plate and everything go back on it. Clean it up real nice. But yup. Feel like a gray silver gray, whatever you want to call it. I got a picture. I got a few pictures of it how it looked before I actually painted it. This how it looked though. Right now, once I clean it up and start putting everything in it, it'll look good. I got most of the oil gunk out of it that was in there. Look at that. The thing shining, man. That's the bottom. I got the new bearings in, cam bearings in there already. Look at that. Looking nice. Looking real good. Looking real good there. It's just popping now. I primed it. I sprayed some prime on it, and then I painted it. I want to get the back of it, but you pretty much ain't gonna see that because the transmission will be covering that part up. But yeah, 5-3 block. Just finished painting it. Got new cam bearings in it. I just showing y'all something, man, because I'm gonna get ready to post this on my Facebook channel and just to give y'all this update what I'm about to do. And my next video is going to be me putting the motor back together. You know what I'm saying? Step by step. It's the 5-3 that's going in this white S10 right here. The engine bay pretty much painted. Engine bay pretty much painted and this stuff. And one side, get the motor back together. We gotta put a 8-arm on the driver's side, top 8-arm, control arm on the top side. I'm sorry, control arm on the driver's side. So when we get that put on, we gonna put the motor in there. Once the motor in there, wire everything back up, and we can fire it up. But yep, that's where we at with it. When you're letting it dry in the wind, in this air. And I'll cut y'all guys back on. Well, when y'all see the next video, I'm pretty much gonna have the bottom end up in here. I'm gonna show y'all I'm gonna record me doing all that. So I'm gonna have the bottom end put in, and if I have time, I'll put that back, put the rear main seal on. I might. That might be for another video, but today, Sunday, is me putting a crank back in, the pistons, and the crank pistons, the main bearings, and what else I'm gonna do? You know, yeah, I'm gonna put the oil pan on it because at that point I'll be through with the bottom. I'll put the oil pan on. Yeah. Put the oil pan on, and then I might put the oil pan on the oil pump on tonight, but we'll see how everything go with the process. So yeah, we'll let this dry for another 20 minutes, and I'm gonna get at it. So y'all guys stay tuned. I'm gonna put y'all up on my GoPro camera, and we're gonna do it like that. So stay tuned, man. All right.